The monkeys. Eddie and Junior are at the zoo. They are looking at the lions.
Dad, can we see the monkeys now?
But you never want to see the monkeys.
I really like the monkeys now. Can we see them?
Junior, the monkeys are on the other side of the zoo.
We can run. You love exercise.
Okay. Yes, I love to run.
Junior and Eddie start running.
Can you run faster, Dad?
Wait, Junior, why are we running? You hate running.
I hate running, but I love ice cream. And there's an ice cream shop next to the monkeys.
Never. Lions. Hate. Side. Exercise.